What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari back with a video. As y'all can see, man, it's not a POV. I might add a little POV just to see if everything going smooth. But as you can tell by the title and thumbnail, hot outside on swing, so y'all don't mind that. But as you can tell by the title and thumbnail, man, I will be doing a little maintenance on my car. You know what I'm saying? I gotta put this part on. It's very simple, very easy. It's a map sensor, I believe that's what it's called. I got a code for that. I think it's my second time getting that code, but it's not frequent. So I just went ahead and took care of, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and put that on, something different today. Let me know if y'all like these kind of videos, man, you know what I'm saying? Me being more engaged with y'all and kind of doing other stuff besides POV, but POV is gonna always, you feel me, POV gonna always be, cuz, you know what I'm saying? So y'all boys just know how that go. But anyway, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me, you feel me? But anyway, man, also, Cari crew, I got some new wheels, you know what I'm saying? I ain't talking about 5-spoke Hellcat rim, nothing like that. I'm talking about, you know what I'm saying? Them things, you feel me? Them things, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, they right here though, they in the box. I gotta put, you feel me, like tires on them and all that. I'll turn the camera on, you feel me, and let y'all see, and let y'all boys see how they look and everything like that. But right now I got Olivia hood open, stuff like that. I'm gonna turn the camera around, let y'all see everything. Sorry for me swing, you know what I'm saying? But your butt still looking alright, you know what I'm saying? You had a new dude, you know, your boy didn't see me in a minute, hair getting long, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, look at that. But yeah, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 20K. Get your boy to 20K the quick way. I'm trying to get used to holding the camera up. It's been a minute, my shoulder hurting. Fresh out work, man, working hard, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, yeah, let's get straight into it. Well, as y'all can see, man, through the plastic, you feel me? We got them freakers, you know what I'm saying? Got these things, brand new, polished lips, you feel me? Y'all boy be counting me out, boy, it's on. It's on and popping. Y'all see what we got going on, you know what I'm saying? 2 back rims, you feel me? 2 on. You know what I'm saying? VMS, shout out VMS. Some slight little starter kit, you know what I'm saying? I could have went weld, but I was like, I could have went weld, but I was like, damn, if I go weld, it's like, I ain't even, you feel me? I don't even be going crazy like that to be spinning that kind of cheese on weld. So, you know what I'm saying? I just went with the starter pack, VMS racing around, polished lip, you know what I'm saying? Brand new, you feel me? But just want to show y'all that, man, got some new wheels, so that means more content, better content on the way. You know what I'm saying? More content. I ain't feel like putting the wheel back how it was, but more content on the way. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, man. My bad, I'm tripping. So I did that. But yeah, y'all know what I'm saying, man. Gotta get right. So y'all boys stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't already. Cause you know POV is coming with the slicks on. You know what I'm saying? Or I may go street rated for the time being, cause I don't want to just go straight slick. But y'all boys, let me know what y'all think I should do. I know a lot of y'all probably gonna be like, go Mickey Thompson, bro. You can't go wrong with Mickey Thompson, bro. Like, rock on, bro. Face out. But yeah. Oh, man. Well, anyway. Then the wheels, you feel me? And come over here to big live. Oh, man. Got big live, hood propped up. Hood popped up, man. We're finna be changing it right here. Finna be changing this bad boy right here. Oh, man. I don't know if I gotta take the battery. I don't think I gotta take the battery out, cause I did it before.
Boy, if you don't get
Messing with that, trying to find out where it was at. So, I'm gonna see, but I might take the battery off. I don't really think I have to, though, cause I'm really just gonna unplug, you know what I'm saying, unplug, replug, and that's pretty much it. But we shall see. Don't mind my trunk, there's just 2 jackets that make it look junky. It ain't junky. This in here for only one reason. I just put it in here. Don't mind it. I'm just showing y'all this, cause I can't really, I'm not panning the camera around too many places. I am. But yeah, man, the wheels over here. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna look amazing on Olivia. But we're gonna get straight into it. I'm turning the camera back on, showing y'all boys, you feel me? Me changing that part out. But I'll be back. But yeah, Cari crew, this the piece. This the new piece right here, you feel me? And this the old one. As y'all can see, they roughly, you know, the same. Push the clip in. You need a T20 to take this out. You know what I'm saying? It's a star bit. You need a T20 to take that out because it screws on. You feel me? And you just push this up. I ain't gonna pull it out now, but you push that up. Hold on. You pick this up, it's a little, I guess you call it nipple or something. I don't know, regular. Where you pull that up, prop that out, and unplug it. Unplug this. You know what I'm saying? And that's your map sensor. That feel like your fuel tank pressure, all that good stuff. I think mine was kind of been going out, in and out a little bit. It ain't been bad. But I had one point my car had started up a little rough one time at a gas station as I pumped some gas. So, and the code that popped up for it led to this. It could be other stuff, but the other stuff it was, I don't have like a gas cap, things like that. It's not my fuel pump because I already did all that, diagnosed my fuel pump, and I took it apart the first time. And that's pretty good. So hopefully it just did something small, something simple. You know, so I put this on everything good. And hopefully this could probably be the solution to my flames not being as big as they used to be. Like, I don't get that. But it's either here or there. You know what I'm saying? But we finna go ahead and make sure all this stuff, you feel me, fit. Hold on, my bad, y'all, boy. Trying to do this with one hand. Make sure all that fit. You know what I'm saying? And we Gucci, you know what I am. Gucci like coochie, like. But we gonna, you feel me, need a T20, star bit, take that off, pry it up. Take that off, pry it up. Oh, my bad. My bad, y'all. Been a minute since I did a video like this. But yeah, take that off, pry it up, then unplug it. And that's it. I don't think I gotta unplug the battery. I might search it up, but I'm gonna do it real quick. But you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to, you feel me, fry nothing else. But yeah, I'm showing y'all under the hood right now. Can't nothing up under here. But just know, when I get right, y'all ain't seeing up under here no more. So get your looks in, cuz it's stock, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing going on, nothing. But just know, gonna get real in the field, ugly. But yeah, I'll be back though. All right, car crew, man. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and take this off. You feel me? I knew it pretty much recommended, but it's just, hold on. But yeah, it's just it's recommended, but I'm gonna take it off anyway. I mean, you know you could, but it's just like I ain't trying to fry nothing else. You know what I'm saying? Don't make it. I ain't trying to make nothing worse. If you're picking up one, putting down. So why I'm doing all that? I'm about to take it the whole thing, y'all. But yeah, we just gonna, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get us a little nub. Put that right there. Feel me? Now we straight, Gucci. And you know, you can't walk over here. Can't walk over here. Now I can safely, you feel me, take this out. If I can remember how to. Well, see, something simple. Smooth just like that. And you push this little clip. Push it right here. And then come out. Hold on, car. I'm sorry, man, I ain't got no cameraman or nothing like that. Right there and push it. Push it right here. Pull this out. Hold on. Let me get right. Let me get right. It won't let me get right. Hold on. Hold on, car crew. Y'all boys just hold your horses right quick, cuz. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make sure I do this. Everything smoothly. Okay, yeah. Alright. Took that off. You feel me? Took that off. You know what I'm saying? Next time I'm not trying to lose it. That mother, like you trying to go somewhere. Sit down, cuz. Sit down. But yeah, this the old one. Oh, why is that so close? This the old one, you feel me? Look just like the new one. You know what I'm saying? The new one look just like the old one. Ain't nothing too different though. I like, you know what I'm saying? OEM parts is the best thing for your heart. Yeah, we're gonna put this in. We're gonna put the new one in, man. And I guess I'll turn y'all back on. I could prop y'all up. Anyway, man, I'm gonna cut the camera back on. I'm gonna cut the camera back on once I put this in and show y'all the, I guess, the final results or whatever like that. Oh, yeah. And just like that, car crew out with the old, you know what I'm saying, in with the new. You feel me? Screwed in. Everything like that. You just need to do a T20. A T20 star bit. If you don't know what a star bit is, it look like this. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know, if you know. That's pretty much it though, car crew. Like I said, man, gonna be a wrap. But y'all see, man, we changed out the map sensor and a SCATPAck, you know what I'm saying, charger. Olivia to be exact, you know what I'm saying? Black on black on black, on black on black on black, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, and don't forget, you know what I'm saying, boy got racing wheels, tires on the way soon. If y'all want to sponsor your boy, somebody, if anybody got some ET, street raiders, or just street raiders, you know what I'm saying? I prefer 305, 45, 17. Oh, yeah. But, yeah, man. We got Olivia right. We're going to, I got to use my phone to clear my code, but clear the code and all that. Probably cut the call on and see how everything looking. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. And, yeah, we're going to be smooth, man. Well, hold on. Let me go ahead and show y'all that. Then I'll end the video. All right, car crew. And boy, start out, just cleared the code. You see what happens when you turn the battery, take the battery out, it look like a Chrysler. Sun's slight, man. I see ain't got no lights on. Let y'all hear that thing right quick. Oh, don't laugh at my feet, cuz. Pretty much a wrap, man. Car crew. My face is, boy, my face sweating. Can't even show y'all, boy, my face right now. Boy, y'all seen my face earlier. I know it's been a minute, been a while. Oh, you gotta follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? That's why I be, you know what I'm saying, more in tune than I guess Instagram and Snapchat. Especially Snapchat though, but that's either here or there. I know it's hard to grow on Snapchat for real. Ain't like how I used to be back in high school. But car crew, man, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. I hope y'all like this video, something a little different, you know what I'm saying? Bring it to y'all, boy, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. And also, man, y'all boys stay prayed up, stay blessed out here in these streets for all my religious folk, man. Keep God first, keep him in the mix and everything that you do, man, you know what I'm saying? Allow him to lead you and guide you, you know what I'm saying, in the right direction. You feel me? Y'all boys allow him to lead you and guide you, man, you know what I'm saying? Be humble, you feel me? Try your best to do, you know what I'm saying? Do what you gotta do. But why my AC? Okay, it's getting cold. I was gonna say, but y'all trim, man. It's too hot, but it'll be too hot to be playing like that, but y'all got a Chrysler 300 right now. But yeah, man, y'all keep God first while my religious folk, man. Stay humble, stay prayed up, man, you know what I'm saying? And just, it's a lot. I mean, it's a lot I can say, but at the same time, man, you know, y'all boy, it's a personal thing. Something personal you gotta do on your own, you feel me? I can only just encourage you to do it. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't nothing wrong with having a relationship with the Lord, you feel me? The Lord, he blesses you, man. I'm telling you, you got that strong bond. Try your best and hardest to please him and live the best way you can live, you know what I'm saying? In the most right way, you know what I'm saying? Do the right thing, have some integrity, you feel me? Some discipline, stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? But if you know, you know, for my religious folk. For my non-religious folk, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I ain't talking to you because I know, you know what I'm saying? You ain't listening to all that, cuz. But anyway, man, also like I said, not the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday.